Hi Purposeful Gang! So in this video we went hiking in Luderitz, so I decided to document this experience. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Please do subscribe, like and comment if you ever went hiking. Enjoy!
I did that! Oh, my goodness. Okay.
Oh, das kommt so lang gewartet. One thing I can surely say about Luderitz is it has beautiful scenery, guys. The view on top was beautiful, guys. Y'all can see how beautiful it was.
Kita minta luka bahkan.
Ivan, woo! Come see the side.
Casa caro di stan.
Wacht nee.
Ja, maar ik neem na foto's van jou. Nee. Oké. Maar ik zie je niet. net blessed. Nee, sit daar. Yebo.
Namibia is so beautiful. Luderitz is so beautiful, guys. The landscape, the sunset by the beach. Woo! If you love photos, then Luderitz is the place to be. Thank you so much. If you have watched to this point, please do subscribe, like, and comment if you ever went hiking. If you are in Luderitz, if you are from Namibia, and probably have never visited Luderitz as well, please let me know down in the comment section. Bye bye. See you in the next one.
Your body shaking of every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Alright.